be a regular vlog, okay? Today's goal is $200. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Yazzmine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. You're officially a baddie. So go ahead and do yourself a favor and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because honey, it's lit over here, okay? You're gonna love it. Let's go ahead and get into it. So today is gonna be a regular vlog. Like, I'm not doing anything extra today. It's the 1st of the month, the 1st of July, and the girl have to pay rent, okay? I gotta pay rent. So I gotta stop at a bank to pick up my rent check. I need to stop at Target. I need to return something. So we just running some errands, and then we gotta get to the studio so we can knock out these clients. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all, so I've made it to the studio. I'm all set up for my first client. So this is my lineup for today. I have one new client facial. She actually won this facial. I did like a little career day at a school, and she won the facial. I gave away a free facial to the teachers, and she won. So I have her coming in, and then I got a custom facial at 12:30. Then I have a brow wax at 2:30, and then at 3 I have a microdermabrasion facial. So it's gonna be a long day. Today's goal is $200. So I have to make $200 because my goal for this month is $4,000. So that's $1,000 a week. So we gotta hit these goals this month. Yeah, so with my new clients, I always love to do a consultation. So of course I'm gonna have them fill out the consent form, which will give me an idea of like what's going on with their skin. But then we're gonna talk about, you know, lifestyle. We're gonna talk about like allergies. We're gonna talk about what their skincare routine looks like at home, and just get a better understanding of like what their goals are for their skincare journey. And then we just go from there. So that's what I like to do with my first time clients. So she should be here very soon. All right, so I'll be back. tell y'all, I am just now sitting down, having lunch. It's about to be 5 o'clock. I ain't ate lunch all day, y'all. I've been back to back to back to back to back with clients. Like, my goodness, my goodness. And you know, sometimes the clients want to talk, so that be pushing my cleaning time. I worked totally straight through my break that I had scheduled. I literally scheduled me a break. I usually don't even schedule me a break, but I scheduled one and ain't even take it. I don't understand. I don't understand. But it was a good day, y'all. It was a good day. What was the goal was 200. What? Yeah, the goal was 200 for the day. I did 5, so. I just had to celebration dance. God. My hubby made some rice, some corn, and this is a turkey burger that he smothered in gravy. So freaking good. So freaking good. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and then I gotta head home, start cooking. I got a call at 7 because I signed up to do this expo at the end of this month. It's a barber and beauty expo, so I'm super excited because I've never participated in anything this big, and I'm doing it with a group of other professionals in the industry. Nobody that's doing what I do, but like a hairstylist, a barber, I think a massage therapist. We're all gonna be in this one particular section. I'm gonna have an opportunity to get on stage and talk about my business. So I'm really, really excited. But yeah, so he texted me while I was doing a client and was like, we having a call at 7, and I'm like, baby, I need more than a couple of hours heads up. Like, what? 7 o'clock? I don't like doing business or talking business after 8 o'clock, and you pushing it. But I'm excited. This is gonna be a great month. I can feel it. All right, guys. I'm gonna go in Target. I gotta return this dress that I bought. I thought it was gonna be cute, but I think I don't know if I got it in the wrong size, or maybe I shouldn't have been shopping online. I think I just shouldn't have bought it online. I should have came into the store and bought it, but it was me trying not to miss out. That FOMO will get you every time. And then the dress was like $30, y'all. $30. I'm like, I don't like it that much for $30. Let me go ahead and return this. Hi. Have the return.
Alright.
And then I bought it online. Does that matter?
You can still return it here. You
Okay.
can use the Target app or the
Okay.
card you bought it with.
Okay. I'm gonna use that.
Okay.
Purchase history.
Can I show you the easier way?
Yeah.
On the bottom of the Apple Wallet, and then show my barcode. That's like all the receipts.
Oh, okay, bad. Thank you.
No problem. Right.
Change my mind.
$32.25 is on my MasterCard.
Okay. All right, thank you. You too. Let me put it in my pocket. Y'all, I ain't gonna tell you this done hit my car trying to jump in front of me as I'm leaving the Target parking lot, y'all. Trying to jump in front of me, and baby ain't realized she did not have enough room and just hit my car. Y'all see the damage. Then got the nerve to jump out her car and try to cuss me out. That ain't gonna work, sweetheart. That ain't gonna work. Because I'm very much unbothered. Always. But I am pissed that you damaged my car and that the police had to be called and involved. And if you look at her car, her vehicle, no damage. My vehicle, damaged. Who in the wrong? I know we supposed to do our due diligence to not get in an accident, but she was just being a, and that's why we here. So now I'm just waiting. Where's the cop? I'm just waiting to figure out who gonna get the ticket. Because if I get the ticket, ooh, we're gonna have a problem, sir. I'm just so aggravated right now. I'm so aggravated. Y'all. Let me update y'all on what ended up happening with the lady hitting my car or whatever. So basically a community service officer ended up coming out, and he couldn't find anybody at fault because there was no witnesses. Me and her had conflicting statements, so he just gave us like each other's license, registration, that information, and if we wanted to make a claim to our insurance companies, we're more than welcome to do that. The damage on my car isn't enough for me to be like, let me call my insurance company, pay this deductible, possibly increase my insurance and all that. It's not that much to me, in my opinion, but I am still gonna go and get the damage assessed and see, you know, how much it would cost to get it fixed. But car still rides fine. Yeah, I'm not hurt. No one in their car was hurt. It was really just a matter of her being dead ass wrong. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and accept some fault in it as well, because I could have let her in, but baby, it just wasn't enough room. Okay, it just wasn't enough room. She should have stopped. She should have yielded like she was supposed to. But yeah, so today has been a day, okay? I'm tired from working, and to end it like that, so aggravating. Then I missed my prayer call with my friends. I'm just, you know, it's just time to go to bed. Yeah, it's just time to go to bed. Shout out to y'all for making it to the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I will catch you in the next video. See ya. Love you. Bye.